Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at that famous song, What Shall We Do with the Drunken Sailor, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. This time, we'll be looking at how to play it an octave higher than what we did in the last tutorial, and this time there won't be any bends. Here's what Drunken Sailor looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and here is how it sounds. A, D, F, A, G, 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 C, E, G, A, B, C, D, C, G, A, F, D, D, A, D, F, A, G, 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 C, E, G, A, B, C, D, C, G, A, F, D, D. So let's take a close look at phrase 1. Breathing through 6, 7 times. Breathing through 4. Breathing through 5. And breathing through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 6, 7 times. Blow into 4. Blow into 5. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, breathing through 6, 7 times. Breathing through 7. Blow into 7. And breathing through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 4, blow into 7. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 5. And breathe in through 4 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 6, 4 times. Breathe in through 4. Breathe in through 5. And breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 6, 4 times. Blow into 4. Blow into 5. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 7, breathe in through 6, 4 times. Breathe in through 7. blow into 7, and breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 8 is exactly the same as phrase 4. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.